Hello everyone. In this presentation we are going to discuss about first year MCA second semester. The subject code is MC4204 and subject title is Mobile Application Development. In Unit 2 the main topic is gesture based user interface. Nowadays we all are using Android or Apple iPhone. Then we are having different kind of gesture that are used by different kind of users. Then gesture based user interface, swapping, swooping, tracking, long pressing, these are but a few of the gesture that have come to dominate our digital experiences. Gestures affect how we interact with interfaces, including phone, laptop, and iPad. Then, but we don't have to look far to find a gestural interface beyond our work and entertainment devices. Natural user interfaces that are so natural to users that the interface feels and sometimes is invisible, like a touchscreen interface. Some NUIs even use gesture control, allowing users to interact with the interface without direct physical contact. BMW recently released a gesture control feature that gives user touchless control over car volume, call and more. Then gestures are growing more common in user interface design and play increasingly complex role in our everyday lives. Then what makes a good gesture? Gestures are a way of communicating. We have long used hand gesture and head nod to help convey meaning, and now gestures play a role in communicating with user interfaces. Good gesture provide effective, efficient communication that aligns with our way of thinking. Our thoughts and knowledge in license how we speak, and they influence our use of gesture, especially in user interface design. Then benefits of gesture technology. The wide use of gestural interfaces is due to many benefits that come with them. Three of the most significant benefits of gesture: cleaner interfaces, ease of use, and improved task completion. That is, cleaner interfaces, ease of use, then improved task completion. Types of gesture in user interface design. Design for touch has led to the development of many types of gesture, the most common of which are tapping and swiping. There are three categories of gesture: navigational gesture, that is to navigate, then action gesture to take action, transform gesture to manipulate content. Then tap. A tap gesture is when you tap on the screen with one finger to open or select something like an app or page. Then double tap. Double tapping is when you tap the screen twice in a row in close succession. Many applications use this gesture to zoom in, but on Instagram, users can double tap a photo to like it. Then swipe involve a moving your finger across the screen in one direction, touching down on one side and lifting your finger on another side. Then multiple finger swipe. You can also conduct a swipe gesture with two or three fingers. This is a common feature on laptop touchpad that used two or three finger swipe for different actions. Then track. Tracking uses the same general motion as a swipe, only you move your finger slower and don't lift it until you have pulled the object to where you want it to be. You use tracking to move an item to a new location, like when reorganizing your phone app. Flying, like swiping, a flying gesture is when you move your finger across the screen at a high speed. Unlike a drag, your finger doesn't remain in contact with an element. Flyings are often used to remove something from you. Then long press. A long press is when you tap the screen but hold your finger down for longer than usual. Long presses open up menu options like when you hold text to copy it or hold down an app to delete it. Then pinch gesture are often used to zoom back out after zooming in. Then pinch open or spread. A pinch open or spread gesture is the opposite of a pinch. You hold your two fingers down close together and then spread them apart. Then spreading like double tapping is generally used to zoom in. Then rotation. To do a rotation, press on the screen with two fingers and rotate them in a circular motion. The best example of rotation is when you turn the map on Google Map to see what surrounds you. Thank you.